This is the PHM, a ship of special significance. A fast patrol boat with large ship capability, based on 2 decades of research, developed jointly by the United States and the Federal Republic of Germany. PHM has high-speed, all-weather capabilities. In 5-meter waves, the PHM travels comfortably at speeds over 40 knots. 2 to 4 times faster than her hull-borne counterparts in rough seas. PHM is economical. Compared with a conventional frigate, PHM represents 1/5 the initial cost, has 1/5 the operating cost, uses less than 1/2 as much fuel, and is manned by 1/10 the crew. PHM is a hydrofoil, a fast, highly maneuverable ship, difficult to detect and difficult to track, an elusive target for enemy guns, torpedoes, or missiles. The hydrofoil's speed and agility are ideally suited to fast patrol boat missions of surveillance and attack, a potent challenge to large ships, especially suitable for the control of choke points and barriers such as the entrance to the Baltic Sea. Unlimited by the rough water environment of the open ocean, PHM is an effective, low-cost alternative to the use of large, more expensive ships. PHM's armament and its unique operational characteristic pose new and difficult tactical problems for a potential enemy force. PHM can launch a salvo of 8 anti-ship missiles in less than 30 seconds. Its 76-millimeter rapid-fire cannon is highly effective against aerial and surface targets. PHM is protected from air and surface attack by its speed and maneuverability. It is virtually invulnerable to underwater explosions. Offensively and defensively, PHM is a formidable adversary to both aerial and surface elements. The PHM lead ship, Pegasus, was launched in November 1974. It has met or exceeded every performance specification during 8 months of sea trials. Pegasus is 39.8 meters long, displaces 235 metric tons, carries a military payload of 26 metric tons, including a crew of 24. The product of nearly 20 years of design and development, Pegasus incorporates refinements of the subsystems proven in the 2nd generation of Boeing hydrofoils by the Navy gunboat Tucumcari. Totally submerged foils, automatic control system, water jet propulsion, all welded aluminum hull. The stainless steel struts and foils are fully retractable for simplified inspection and maintenance, permit operation in shallow water ports. The steerable water jets, assisted by bow thrusters, allow extreme flexibility in docking. Traveling with the fleet, refueling and provisioning are carried out in the open sea with both ships underway. Traveling hull-borne, Pegasus foils stabilize the ride, making her far more comfortable than conventional ships in heavy seas. Foil-borne, there is no comparison in crew comfort. With her hull riding above the rough surface, her automatic control system maintaining level flight, Pegasus speeds along above the waves at over 40 knots. This sea kindliness, either hull-borne or foil-borne, allows the crew to function effectively even in foul weather. In addition, where much larger ships may be forced to remain in port because of bad weather, up to 25% of the time, in the Baltic and North Seas, for example, such weather conditions will affect the PHM less than 2% of the time. Pegasus can outmaneuver any conventional craft, can overtake or outrun any vessel afloat. Her bank turns, performed at higher turning rates than most aircraft, have no adverse effect on the performance of her crew or her weapons. PHM, a major improvement in fast patrol boat capabilities. An inexpensive alternative to large conventional ships. A ship of special significance. The PHM.